Hello everyone. Paano ba mag-apply ng PCO accreditation sa Laguna Lake Development Authority? Tatlong bagay. Number one, kailangan gamitin itong ISO form, prescribed form, LLDA Eco Form 03, at kailangan kumpletuhin ang mga information. So mula dito, maglalagay tayo ng name. So for example, Juan de la Cruz. And then the company name, the address, for example, MP Casanova Street, Barangay San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas. And then dito, pangalan or contact information ng PCO at contact information ni Juan de la Cruz, yung pangalan ng PCO. Cellphone number, meron tayo dito, for example, 0998-543-5212. And then email address, 11234 And then kung kailan ang birthday, say 4/29/1984, at yung age, we have 41. Then nationality, Filipino. And we have also male or female. We can check this. And yung ating civil status. Let's say married. Yeah, married. And we have also here the contact information of the company. For example, telephone number, kung meron o wala. So for example, 043, or you can type not applicable. Then email address ng company, for example, abc1234@gmail.com. Fax number, can type not applicable. And then business activity, for example, hospital. Then we have here I hereby certify that the above information are true and correct to the best of my knowledge. Done this. So for example, lagay natin ngayon ay 8th day of September 2025. Then printed name and signature of the designated PCO. For example, lagay ulit natin pangalan, Juan de la Cruz, and the signature, then the name of the CEO, President, General Manager, or Plant Manager, or Owner. Lagay natin dito, for example, Peter S. Pan. So, kailangan lang dito ng pirma. And then, dito sa baba, ang pagpapanotaryo. So, unang punto sa pag-apply ng PCO accreditation ay fill upan itong pong PCO accreditation application form with isoform number LLDA Eco Form 03. Kailangan po itong ipanotaryo. And sa pangalawa po ay ang pagbayad po ng accreditation fee, at ito po ay 700 pesos. Depende po kung ano po ang current fee for this. Now, ilalagay po yung OR number dito kung saan nagbayad po. Ang pwedeng pagbayaran po ay sa LLDA cashier mismo. Kung ano ang OR number, yung date ng pagbayad, at kung magkano yung amount. At pinipilapan po yan ng LLDA personnel. So, pangalawang bagay ay kailangan bayaran muna ang filing fee or accreditation fee, 700 pesos, para po i-receive nila ang ating application. Now, kapag nakapagbayad na, we can go again sa Environmental Compliance Office. Dalhin natin yung form na ito with supporting documents kasama nung pruweba ng pinagbayaran. So, ganun lamang po at antayin na lang natin yung atin pong mga ah, accreditation at saka yung ID kung meron pong ID na ibibigay sa atin. Pero most na pinaka-importante ay yung Certificate of Accreditation na signed ng General Manager ng Laguna Lake Development Authority. At yan lamang po at kung gusto niyo pang malaman tungkol sa environmental requirements patungkol sa LLDA permitting requirements, please subscribe to this channel, please share this video, please like this video, and you are also encouraged to ask question below. Thank you very much and have a great day.